Friends, if you want something more than a fitness band but don't want something as heavy as a smartwatch, then Redmi has a right product for you. Redmi Smart Band Pro. I've been using this device for more than 4 months and I can give you 12 reasons on why you should buy Redmi Smart Band Pro. Let's start the review. Reason 1. Redmi Smart Band Pro comes with a beautiful 1.47 inches AMOLED display with resolution of 194 by 368 and pixel density of 283 ppi. With 450 nits of brightness, you can easily see the screen even in strong sunlight. Reason 2. This device is lightweight and weighs only 25.5 grams, including the straps. Reason 3. Always on display is a unique feature which is present in Redmi Smart Band Pro. Reason 4. 5 ATM water resistance means you can wear the device easily while swimming. Reason 5. You can get 5 levels of brightness along with auto adjust brightness feature. Reason 6. Besides heart rate monitoring, you get round the clock SpO2 measuring feature. However, this cannot replace the measurement given by medical device. Reason 7. You get 110 workout modes for measuring activities, which makes Redmi Smart Band Pro very much desirable for sports enthusiasts. Reason 8. It has auto detect workout feature which detects 3 activities: walking, running and treadmill automatically. Reason 9. With sleep stress monitor, you can see how well you are sleeping, daytime naps and much more. Reason 10. With 50 plus watch faces, you get lot of choice to choose your favorite one. Reason 11. Mi Fitness, the official app that works in tandem with Redmi Smart Band Pro, is a well polished and user friendly app which makes using all the features easy. Reason 12. Redmi Smart Band Pro is a slim, beautiful, classy and gives premium looks. The original strap became loose and I had to apply a third party one. So that is one thing I didn't like. With 200 mAh battery, the Redmi Smart Band Pro can last 5 to 6 days with all the features on a single charge. At the price of Rs 3,999, it becomes a premium buy for fitness enthusiasts. If you are interested in buying Redmi Smart Band Pro, then I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and pinned comment. I can confirm that this video is not sponsored by Xiaomi or any other company. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.